Hello dear students, I'm going to explain here 4 questions of number 1 A to D for exercise 11.3. It's about dividing. I start with A. So in number A we are asked to divide 6x square y cube z power 7 by 2x y square and z power 4. So first we keep or rewrite in normal form. So we is here by sign, right? By 2x y squared z power 4 we do have. Now by 2 this 6 will cut for 3 times, first thing, and then we'll be going with the rule of the division. So rule is, you may write down in note, x power m if it gets divided by x power n, it can be written as x power m minus n. So we call it rule of indices or rule of division for two terms with the same base with different indices or powers. So here what do we have? X power m. So let's see this once again. Okay. So here x power m is getting divided by x power n. So you see here same base, is it? So and the powers are different. Now what we can do for this is we get the powers subtracted. So we do what? X power m minus n. Now same thing we should do for here in this question number A. So 3 we keep same, and x power 2 divided by x, so it's x power 1. So no power is there, it means it's 1 power. So they are dividing, so their powers will get subtracted. X power 2 minus 1 we can do. And so we do same for y power 3 we getting divided by y power 2, so y power 3 minus 2 we do. And same we do for z. So z power 7 divided by z power 4, so z power 7 minus 4 we do. This way we get that 3 into x power 1, y power 1, z power 1. And power 1 is not needed to be written, so power we don't write. So just simply we write 3xy z. So this is the answer for this number A. Now I go with the number B. So for this I write this number A. Sorry. Now in number B we do have here 27x cube y power minus 2 z power minus 1 divided by 6 into x power minus 2 y power 4 z power minus 2. So what we do here is 27x cube y power minus 2 z power minus 1 we get divided by 6 into x power minus 2 y power 4 and z power minus 2. Now there we have to use another rule for negative power. If there is negative power, right, suppose there is x power minus a, so it turns into 1 by x power a, the first thing. And if there is negative power in both, right, suppose there is x power minus a by x power minus b is there, then we have to change their powers or change their negative powers into positive power by changing its place between numerator and denominator. If you say negative power in numerator, you have to bring it down in the denominator, then negative power will turn to positive. Or you do have negative power in the denominator, you have to turn it into positive by bringing above or in the numerator, right? So here x power minus a we do see here above or in numerator, so we bring it down in the denominator to turn it into the positive power. And very same alike we do have here x power minus b down, or it's in denominator, so we turn it into the positive power by bringing above or by bringing into the numerator. So this rule we have to apply here to do this number B. So let's see how we go. Here first 27 and 6 they are divisible by 3, So let's cancel it. 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27. And for next x, alright, let's see. So here I copy 9 by 2 as it is first, and now x power minus 2 you see down, or you see below, or you see in denominator, is it? Now we turn it into the positive power by bringing above. So the thing is, what, x power 3 is already above, let's keep there, and same we keep, and x power minus 2 which you see below we bring above, and we turn it into positive power. Now for the next y power, let's see for the y term. So y power 4 below you see, which is already positive, so we keep it same, but y power minus 2 you see above, or you see in numerator, is it? Now we have to turn it into positive power by bringing down, or bringing into the denominator. So y power 2 we bring down, is it, and we turn it into positive, or y power minus 2 we bring down, and by turning into positive we keep it, is it? And about z, so z power minus 1 you see above, is it, or you see in numerator. Now we bring it down to turn it into the positive power, and same like z power minus 2 you see below. Now we turn it into positive by bringing into the numerator. So this way we can get it so easily done this. And next what we do here is we will follow the rule of the dividing or multiplying. So rule of dividing already I have mentioned here, is it, in note number this above one, yeah, is it? And if they are getting multiplied, we have to apply different rule. So if x power n and x power n they are getting multiplied, so the powers we have to add. So this one is another rule. So what you do here is 9 by 2 that we keep same, 9 by 2 we keep same. And about x, when you say about when you see this x, these are getting multiplied, these both are in numerator, it means that means they are getting multiplied, so their powers we get added. So x power 3 plus 2 we have to do. And now y also we see both in the denominator, so they are getting also multiplied in denominator, so that is why we have to add their powers. And now about the z, these are getting divided, z power 2 by z power 1, and we have to subtract it for sure, and we have to subtract by bringing to the side where higher power is being there. So here higher power is 2, z power 2 by z power 1, higher power is 2, so it's in numerator, so we have to bring in the numerator. So z power 2 minus 1 we do, and this way we get there 9x power 5 z power 1, and below there is j2 and y power 6. So this is answer for number B. And now we move into the number C. Is it? So for this I erase this number. Okay, number C now. So in number C we do have here 36 a power 4 b power minus 2 c power minus 5 divided by 12 times a power 3 b power minus 1 c power minus 4 we do have. So here getting divided, so 36 a power 4 b power minus 2 c power minus 5, all this getting divided by 12 a power 3 b power minus 1 and c power minus 4. So the first thing what we do here is these negative powers we turn it into positive, and before of that this 12 and 36 we can get divided. So 36 divides by 12 for 3 times, so that we do. And next then we go for the a. So here a power 4 and a power 3 they are getting divided, so we bring above for subtraction for this. And of the b, they're remaining negative powers, so we turn it into positive first. So b power minus 2 you see above or in the numerator, so you bring it down to turn it into positive. And same like b power minus 1, you see denominator down, so we bring it above into the or in the numerator to turn it into positive. And c power minus 5 and c power minus 4, so c power minus 5 you see above, so you bring it down, you turn it into positive. And same like c power minus 4 you see below, so we bring it above to turn it into positive. So this way we get there. So 3a power 1 you need to write, and of the b power 1, b power 2, so b power 2 minus 1, so getting divided, c power 4 by c power 5, so c power 5 minus 4, is it? So we brought it down for dividing, and this way you get there 3a by bc. So this way up to c I did. Now remaining numbers, remaining d is there, so you can do it by yourself. So up to here is this.